These aren't your average wipes. Check out these 3 reasons why pet parents are going to really love these. Number 1, they're thicker, which gives you a better grip and allows you to get in there a little deeper. That way you can more effectively clean those hard to reach spots. Number 2, natural relief. They're infused with a natural soothing formula to gently clean, deodorize, and provide relief for sensitive ears. Number 3, the aloe scent, leaving your pet smelling fresh. Each wipe has a pleasant, light aloe scent.
What do we got here? Sunny, what are these? These are great. A pack of 50 ear finger wipes, which is great. Look at this little girl. So not only are they soft, but they're moist. So that makes it a little easier to grab things. Can they lift up an ear? They do. Little girl. Hopefully he didn't give her a bath in her ear. They're not too, but it does grab the little dirt. She has a little bit in there. This is so much easier than using a Q-tip or a paper towel because, and she loves her ears rubbed. She loves to eat the paper towels, right? Little girl. She's got little tiny ears, so you kind of have to go, a little gentle. But look, flip her ear back and just kind of rub. And look.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Right? Let's flip your ear back. She looks so cute. Yeah. Good job. That was easy. So if you want some as well, there's a link in the description down below. You can click the link and it'll take you directly to the product. Also, please hit that hype button, which is new. Helps out the channel, and like and subscribe so you'll see more content like this and we can show you more great videos and products and give you our review. This one we really like, I think, because it's moist. I've seen ones that aren't. They're dry and they're a little harder to work. It makes it a little more malleable in there so that it's not as hard on her ear, especially her being a little puppy. So I'm liking these, and she likes these too, right? Ooh, you're gonna go to sleep. See you next time.